Hi YouTube, made a bit of a mess today. Don't have time to do a video, so I'll show you my download base for the campsite. This is my rig. So I've got a patch cable, the Encore made in India. So this is which kind of explains why it turned out to be so good. I just bought it because it was a tenner. No, that's TENNER. I have replaced the bridge because the one that was on it was it's still sitting there as a two saddle thing, which doesn't look too bad there, but when you put strings on it, it does that, which is the wrong way around. You know, if anything, you'd want it to be that way, but it does that, and you end up with no intonation. So bridge it at the parts box. I changed the knobs for Strat ones because the ones that were on it were like the full size Gibson ones, and they're so close together. This at least gives you a chance. Ideally, you want there's even thinner ones you get. That I've got like the Witch Hat ones. I've got a thinner central bit, which would probably be even better, but I don't have them. The amp I'm currently using is it's a wee Dean Markley thing that I've had for about 20 years. It's basically exactly the same as those wee Marshall ones you get. I had at the same time I had the Marshall sort of dual stack one, which is pretty much exactly the same. It's got a variable overdrive. This has just got off, overdrive, clean. Didn't really do. I suppose I'll put it to clean, see if it do it. Just put a new battery in it, so it might actually. I angle it towards the microphone, which I suppose is okay. I suppose that's at full bung as well. That's at full bung now. Let's be honest, doesn't sound great, but on overdrive mode it's really loud, so it's totally fine for as long as it's got one sound, and this is it. Generals gathered in the masses, just like witches. I mean, not the best song to play on this. What's probably the good one now? Go for full volume. Sadness fills my days, time to roll away, and tomorrow's dreams will be reality to me. so I'm going to be able to play all sorts of Sabbath, walking about the campsite, completely unaccompanied. I was trying to use it. I've got a wee a Line 6 battery powered amp thing, not like this, like it's like I think it's 6 watt. It doesn't really do the bass. It kind of sounds like that. I mean, it's not a great sound, but it's a sound that I can use. So if someone's playing my wee Don't Be a Dick guitar, it's like I can accompany it quite well with this. Play some Iron Maiden as well. Too much for Creed. How will we ever be friends soon? Flying through branches and burning ways, cutting confessions to you. So just a wee quick video showing my gig rig for camping, or I suppose parties. It's good enough. This wee amp's this is a great wee thing. I've had lots of other, even I've got the Black Star Fly kicking about somewhere as well, but it's in this. It's kind of worth money. I don't lose it. If someone steals that, it's like it'll be annoying, but not the end of the world. And I can't really rate this bass anymore. It's kind of almost worthwhile putting decent tuners on it. If these break, these ones they're not brilliant. They're alright, they stay in tune. As I said, I had to change the bridge. I even had a look at putting a better pickup in it, and it's like, really, if I'm playing through this, is it really worthwhile? I even took this into the studio last week, actually, played it for the bands, and like through the big 200 watt Ampeg or whatever it is. It's not an Ampeg. Can't remember what make the bass amps in Berkeley are. It's alright. That's not really what it's meant for. It's meant for playing through this wee tiny speaker camping or in the car, my car bass. And if you like fuzz bass, then fuzz pip. This is the one. There is no not fuzz bass. Turn it up. I was just thinking of basically Sabbathy stuff. Really, I can kind of play most of that anyway. Quite a lot of the songs playing the band anyway, but also anyone, it's better. The ones that are in C sharp are kind of almost doable as well. I don't know if I've managed to do. I just can't use the bottom E. Rocket engine burning through so fast. Anyway, I could probably work my way through an entire Black Sabbath greatest hits, utilising this. See how annoyed people get at download. So sorry there's no video tonight. I was watching Obi-Wan Kenobi. Couldn't be bothered doing anything. Rock on.